What is up? It's your boy and you're bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got an airplane flying over us like always. It wouldn't be an Aing video without an airplane. Today we got a fun one. Today we may have a sad one depending on how much I actually ended up spending. We're gonna be talking about all the money I've spent on modifying my 2020 TRD Sport 4x4 Tacoma and kind of what I'm looking at in money I'm gonna spend on this truck. So now that I've learned the do's and don'ts of modifying the truck, I think I'm gonna save a little bit. I don't know. I also wasn't finished with the last truck, but nonetheless, we're gonna see how much it costs to lift your truck, to put bigger tires, to change the wheels, to do all of those fun changes. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Sandy and my little sisters thought it would be funny for me to grow my hair out and my head doesn't even fit in my hats. I'm like running out of hats. Some hats aren't even big enough to fit all my hair. Forgive me. But that's enough beauty talk. Now that we're here to talk about the truck, you know, the manly man that we are, let's talk about some modifications. So I've compiled a list. I've gone through as much as I can remember that I've spent on my last Toyota Tacoma, and well, we're gonna talk about it. And at the end, I'm gonna talk about some things that I plan on saving money on and not doing this go around. So if you're interested in modifying your truck, this is a good video for you because, well, I'm a veteran. Yesterday, me and Sandy went out for dinner as we were watching Rob Motive's live stream. And I was kind of upset when I got in the truck today. I was like, wow, we forgot the Arby's bag. My truck is gonna smell. Thankfully, it was just a bag, nothing in it, so it didn't stink. But there was a spider on my windshield, so I was able to, well, you know what I did. I have a PhD in spending money and doing really dumb things on my truck. So hopefully this video helps somebody out because I probably still will not learn from this. So with that being said, let's start off with the, I guess, the smaller, more minor things. I'm gonna go with the more expensive things as we get closer to the end, but grab handles. These grab handles, I don't know if you guys can see them, those were $20. Number two, $120 on all-weather mats, which I ended up going to the OEM floor mats, so that's a little bit of a bummer, I'm not gonna lie. The RGB lights, do you know what that is? That's just pretty much like color changing lights that, well, if a 5th grader could get his car, that's what he would do. That's what I did. Some people call it immature. I thought it was super cool. I still think it's super cool, but well, the boss told me they didn't want it in this truck. So LED lighting, changing all the bulbs from the halogen, like the stock halogen lights interiors, to actual LED lights. That was another $20. So then, of course, you got the top 5 Amazon mods for you. You know, the one that everyone talks about, the storage mods, center console storage, and then the glove box storage, divider things. I bought those for the last truck. Ended up spending like 45 bucks. So I don't know which ones I bought or why I bought such expensive ones, but I bought them this time and they're like 20 bucks. So you live and you learn. Stepping on to the outside of the truck, we ended up having the blackout package, but well, we don't want to talk about how much I paid Toyota for it. So let's just talk about how much it would have been if I would have paid everything separately. Starting off with the blacked out exhaust tip, it would have been like 60 bucks, which I'm thinking about buying for this truck, or maybe just getting a whole different exhaust. I'm not too sure, I'm not 100% decided. And then $30 to black out all the emblems. The bed mat. That bed mat, I actually spent like 125 bucks. I was like, okay, I see it on Amazon, let me buy it. 125, 130 bucks. I left it in the other truck, so I had to spend another 80 on it. So this time I was kind of upset. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of like the reason I didn't want to buy it. You guys bullied me into getting one, and well, thank you for that. I appreciate you, my bully subscriber fans. You know what I'm saying. Decals, like supporting the YouTube channel, the ones that said Aing, YouTube Aing, Instagram Aing, blah, 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 Aing. Those were also like 30 bucks. 30 bucks for some stickers, you know. It's getting pricey out here. The Viper Cut. The Viper Cut was single-handedly the most expensive mod that I ever did. 30 bucks for like the Dremel tool, and then like 20 bucks for some vehicle edging. It's like 50 bucks in total, but for the viewers and the subscribers that told me how much value I lost, it was like a $10,000 modification. That is pretty insane. $10,000 in one modification. Still don't know how I sold the truck. Fog lights plus a tint. The fog lights were like 60 bucks, and then the tint was like 20 bucks. So around $80 for that. So now we're gonna talk about the heavy hitters. The heaviest of hitters. The wheels, the lift kit, the tires, and I didn't even write this one down, the alignment. The wheels I actually didn't go crazy on. Those were only like $700, $800. And then the tires, that were the Falcon Wild Peaks, I got them for like $250. Probably a little bit more. I'm trying to be a little bit lenient on myself here. $250 for each, so around $1,000. So in total, getting closer to $2,000 once they've been shipped and, you know, taxes and all that. So yeah, $2,000 for wheels and tires. And then the lift itself, 900 beans. That's shipped and delivered. That is my modification list. I believe it comes out to like $3,000, a little bit over $3,000. We're probably gonna spend the same amount of money that we did last time, probably if not more, because, well, nothing's available. Wheels and tires that I want aren't in stock. The suspension I want isn't in stock. It's a mess. So I don't even know when I'm gonna be able to even begin modifying these things, changing, lifting the truck, which is okay. I don't mind waiting. I don't wanna rush anything. You know, we have a long journey with this truck, so it's okay. Let me know what you spent. Some people don't go with such an expensive lift and they do it themselves. You know, the lifts, some lifts I've seen like 100, 200 bucks, 3-inch lifts. Like that's good. That's pretty good. Now the quality of the lift, you know, it's questionable, but still a decent lift. I'm interested. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys have spent on your Tacomas. I'm very, very interested. And does the boss ever get involved? Because, well, you already know the situation. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Gotta keep my eyes on the road, as it is a twisty little road here. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.